Hi guys, I hope you like this video. Today I will tell you how to do car insurance in USA, California. There is something, some tips I will tell you how to do USA California insurance. Learn about the mandatory minimum car insurance coverage required in California, including liability coverage limits for bodily injury and property damage. Research and compare different car insurance companies in California to find the one that offers the best coverage option, discount, and customer service. Collect essential information such as your driver uh, rates and coverage option. Online tools and phone calls can help you gather this information easily. Understand the different type of coverage available, including liability, comprehensive, consulency, usually understand motivation and medical payment coverage. Select the coverage that suits your needs and budget. Inquire about discount that may be available to you, such as save sign, lower your insurance premium. Determine the dedicatable amount you're comfortable with. For comprehensive and collisions coverage, a higher dedicatable usually leads to lower premium but requires you to pay more out of pocket in case of claim. I hope you will be understanding what I'm telling you. There is more thing I will tell you to do how when applying for car insurance. Provide accurate and complete information about your driving habits, annual mileage, and any modification to your vehicle. Major prestation can lead to coverage issues. Submitting required documents after selecting an insurance provider and policy. You will be need to submit the necessary documents such as a proof insurance to the California Department of Motor Vehicles and periodically periodically review your car insurance policy to ensure it still be meets your needs. Life change such a move, getting married, or buying new car can impact your coverage requirements. Remember that car insurance regulation and production can vary by state and even within California. It's important to familiarize yourself with both state and local requirement to ensure that you're meeting legal requirement will be getting coverage you need. I hope you will understand.